Come on, bud. You guys see the water? That's a big rock, careful. Is that heavy? You try, Nash. Ready? Good job. We're going fishing. All right, should we get our fishing pole set up? We got some practice catching plugs, a net, and 2 Spidey fishing poles. Nash, you want to get it all set up?
Yep. What about these in the water?
You want these in the water?
Yeah.
We got some lures. We're not going to use real hooks today because we're just learning, but we're going to use some lures for fun, some bobbers for fun, and then maybe these practice fishies.
Open them.
Yeah? You want me to open them?
Yeah.
Nash, pick one. Which one do you want to use?
This.
I never saw them.
You want to use this one? We got
Open them.
Paw Patrol, right?
Open them. I don't go in the water.
Go in the water?
Yeah.
Look, ready? Let me show you how to use it. Can I show you how to use it? No. Look at my eyes. That doesn't go in the water unless it's on here.
You have to tie it to the string first so it doesn't get lost.
Say, oh,
Oh.
good job.
What is that?
Nice throw.
It's in the ocean.
You fishing, girl?
Look.
If you tie it, then you can throw it in the water again and again and again and again.
Do you want to do that again and again and again?
Yeah.
All right, here. Good job. So this is probably not the right way to do this, but at least this is the fun way to practice without getting hooked. Now you want to put the worm on it? Or the fish, there's no hook. Nothing to be done.
Oh, you gotta put it in the hook.
I mean, honestly, I don't know.
Yeah, I think you do. You put it on the hook.
This is the fun, let's practice casting and entertain ourselves outside with. All right, let's go for it.
Let's take.
There.
You gotta press the button.
Sheesh! Nash, and then you wait patiently for a fish to go and bite it, okay? Reel it in. Yep, the blue thing. Good job. Good job. Keep going. It's coming. Good job. Keep going. Keep reeling. Oh, it's stuck. Let me help you, okay? All right, reel it in. Keep reeling. Keep reeling it, Nash. Reel it like this. Reel it in. Oh, it's stuck. I'll get it. You want to get it? Look, you just go like this. You just take it out.
Up here. No, this way. Tate, this way, over here. Look, come up to me where I am.
See? And it goes back with the bobber and the worm. Look. And go.
Whoa!
Mama, you gotta show the big pass. Ready? And then reel it in. Alright, you want to do it again, Tate? Ready, set, and go. Sheesh! That was smart. You know,
I got something.
you got something? What'd you get? You got a fish? No way. Oh wait, look right there.
You see, you got one? It's in your hand. Look.
Look.
Daddy
see
caught
it?
a fish.
Say, hey, little guy. Look, look, look. Should we let him back in the water? Here. There you go. Here you go, buddy.
I'll catch him.
There you go.
Okay.
Do you want to catch him? Put your hands in the water.
Show the walk. It's in the water.
Didn't get him.
No.
I see a bigger fish. I caught him.
Shoot. Nice job. Look. Take a look, buddy.
Whoa. You want to hold him?
No.
Wait.
Tate, you want to see the fish?
No. I just get the rocks.
You're just getting rocks.
Get the big one.
Okay, he needs to breathe. No, I have an idea.
Oh, look. Here. Let's put him in there, okay? Quickly.
Hurry, get him.
Look what we caught. Here, Nash. Ready? What do you want to name this fishy?
Swimming.
Swimming?
Yeah.
All right, should we let him back, put him home?
No.
Do you want to hang on to him?
Why you catching more? Why you catching more, Mom?
Ready? Say hi.
Hurry, open the bag. No, it's fish.
Whoa.
Hurry, hurry, open the bag.
All right.
You gonna put him in there? Go ahead, put him in there. Yeah, I know. Pick him up and put him in there. One. Oh, rocks. Two.
You want to hold the fish? Yeah. Here you go. What did we catch, bud? Look. What is that?
A lobster.
It looks like a lobster, right?
Oh, yeah.
I think it's a little baby crawfish.
Here you go.
Right there.
See?
We'll bring a bucket next time. Whoa, bro, nice cast.
Yeah, bro, nice cast.
Dude, good job. All right, now reel it in. Reel it in. That was nice, buddy. Sheesh, dude. Good job. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Reel, reel, reel. Boom. Nailed it.
Hurry, he's jumping.
Okay, okay. Oh my goodness. Give me the clam right there. The little. All right. Whoa. Nash, check it out. We got to get him in some water. You see him? All right, let's get him in some water. I'm trying to help you, little guy. There we go. Whoa.
No, babe, you gotta leave them on. If you take them off, then you're gonna step on sharp rocks.
On the boat?
Yeah.
Like this?
Yeah.
Wait, in a bike?
Yeah, in the dark.
Here, we caught a snail. You want to go put him in the bucket?
Yeah.
A snail?
It is. Ah, look what we caught.
We got 2 types of fish in here.
I know. Crazy. Tate, check it out. You ready? Set. You're just gonna go through the jungle. Ready?
I did catch everything.
What are you catching? Did you catch some fish too? Let's see. Look, look at him.
There's Daddy's crab.
There's my little guy.
Don't fling him if he pinches you. What's the matter?
Does he pinch?
You're in the water. Are you okay?
Oh.
Okay. No, he's too little. I'm saying if you feel like you're scared that he pinched, don't fling him is what I was saying.
You gotta gently get him. There we go. Oh. Wait.
Put him in.
All right.
Dip him. He's okay.
He's okay.
Mm-hmm. There's 2 in there. He's tiny.
What'd you catch? Ready? Let's see. What'd you catch? Oh, you caught a little clam. You see the shell? Can you grab that shell right there?
Yeah.
Grab it.
Yeah, you do it.
Mom, can you grab the shell?
Buddy, it's not an animal. It's just a shell.
Oh, and look at the snail with the cool shell right. Yep, right there.
Oh, help me. Help me get it.
Yeah.
Help me get a fish. Help me get a fish. Help me get a fish. Help me get a fish.
Well, it's broken.
What happened to your pole, bud? We need to get a new one.
No.
Carla,
Fishing isn't his thing, yeah?
the crawfish, the dead ones that I saw, did you see them?
No. Are they big? What?
That's why I came back over here.
Nash, come here. Let's go catch the lobsters. Oh, wait.
Sending him to get it.
I caught a fish.
What?
Look, how many did we find? We have 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish, 4 fish. We have a little lobster sort of guy. What's that, Cameron? What's it called? A crawfish. Or we have another crawfish.
And another one.
Look at there. Final look. Should we put them back? Here, you want to give them a kiss?
No.
Oh, you love them? And then carefully lay them in the water. Lay them down. Good job. Say bye, fishies.
What's that, buddy?
It's a crawfish.
A crawfish. Put it over here.
You want to put it in here? We actually found some friends too. Let's see.
Oh, wow.
This one's got a big claw.
Hurry.
Home.
Oh, wow, he's really big.
Sheesh.
That one's swimming.
Katie, you're too cute.
Your rock. He's getting the rock in the water pose and then going on top of the hill and throwing it in.
Sheesh, he's a big
That's
one.
a beast you got.
You want to hold the lobster?
I
See this orange mustache? She took 1 sip of Carl's orange soda.
Okay, so we're gonna be.
Good job, buddy.
I don't even know, bro.
You ready? Ready? Flip it over. No. Oh, good job.
Good job. Wait, slow down. Okay. He's
Right there, it's hanging on for dear life.
Give it a small wiggle.
shake. Oh, there you go.
Whoa, Nash, you got a big lobster. Show me.
Oh, boy.
Well, show me your big lobster. You caught that here in the creek? Did you get it?
Yeah, I did.
Sheesh.
Nice.
Do you want to take him back to the bucket on the shovel? Oh,
Nice.
no, he's going to jump out.
Oh, wait. Go slowly.
I hold a shovel. I need my shovel.
Wait, I'm gonna bring him back.
I need my shovel.
I'm gonna put him.
Wait,
No,
look.
careful. He's clipped to the thing. You gotta let them let go.
Oh my goodness. Oh my
Please don't
gosh.
throw the shovel. Please don't throw the shovel.
The island's okay.
Wait, let's go see all the crawfish together. It's like a crawfish family.
Oh, okay. What? I got it. Nash, look what Mom caught. Another one.
Oh, wow.
It's pretty cool, right? Kind of looks like what's in your hand. Show me what's in your hand.
What's it?
Yeah.
What's going on here? What's going on here?
Ooh, the big rock.
All right. Can you take? Yeah. Thank you. Tate, you want to pour them in?
No.
You want Daddy to? All
No,
right. Here we go.
Me?
Here we go.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Okay. What do you want to name them?
Lobsters.
Lobsters? Say crawdads.
Claws. Look at my door.
Is there a fish going on there?
Okay.